when the whole thing about the Georgia and South Ossetia and the tensions with Russia happened, I remember I was teaching English in Lima at the time, and some of my students, they just couldn't see that there might be a narrative outside the official account. And I bring newspapers to my classes and I discuss it and stuff like that, but you kind of saw this replay with the Ukrainian situation where according to the mainstream press, Putin annexed Crimea. But that's actually not how it went down. So you had this situation where the whole kind of eastern half of Ukraine always voted for pro-Russian leaders. And you had this tension between what a small group of people in Ukraine saw as democracy and a vision for a democratic future, with the tension between who the people were voting for. So the Ukraine had to get rid of Crimea so they could have the voting bloc to vote for these pro-NATO thugs. So the problem was that Crimea and the people in that part of the Ukraine saw what was coming. And we saw this manifest itself again with this church scandal that happened where CIA and different American organizations gifted so much money to the ecumenical patriarch and coerced him into granting independence to this non-canonical sect that before was just a fringe group in Ukraine. It wasn't connected with any other part of Orthodoxy, but then it's given the status as a national church. And so thank God for this. The people in Ukraine don't have to go through that. And they see themselves as protected by Russia in the same way that South Ossetia did. And so now you have these the people in Ukraine that